Do you ever lie awake at night, replaying a conversation in your head and thinking, why did I say that? Or what if they totally misunderstood me? Or maybe your brain just loves to imagine everything that could possibly go wrong. If your mind never seems to shut up, this video is for you. Welcome to Human Problems 101, where today we're diving deep into overthinking. We'll explore why we do it, why it feels so impossible to stop, and most importantly, how to quiet your mind without forcing cheesy positivity or ignoring reality. First, let's be clear. Overthinking isn't the same as thinking deeply. It's thinking without moving forward. It's when your mind gets stuck in a loop, circling the same thoughts, desperately searching for a certainty that just doesn't exist. You're not actually solving problems. You're just mentally exhausting yourself. And the worst part? Overthinking feels super productive, but it's not. So, how do you know if you're an overthinker? Well, do you analyze past conversations over and over? Do you constantly imagine worst-case scenarios? Do you struggle to make even simple decisions? Is your mind loud and busy, especially when your body is tired and wants to rest? If you're nodding along, welcome to the club. It's a very human thing to do. But why do our brains do this? Overthinking usually comes from one place: the need for control. Your brain is trying to predict the future to protect you from getting hurt, embarrassed, or failing. It keeps asking, what if something bad happens? Or what if I make the wrong choice and regret it forever? Your brain thinks that more thinking equals more safety, but in reality, it just creates more anxiety. So remember, overthinking is just your brain trying to protect you, but in a very unhelpful way. The key difference between healthy thinking and overthinking is this: thinking leads to decisions and action. Overthinking leads to paralysis and feeling stuck. If your thoughts aren't leading you to clarity or a next step, they're just draining your energy. So how do we actually stop it? Let's get practical. First, the moment you realize you're spiraling, just name it. Say to yourself, okay, I'm overthinking right now. No judgment, no criticism. Just naming the behavior creates a bit of distance between you and the thought storm. You are not your thoughts. You are the observer of your thoughts. Second, set a thinking limit. Give your brain a boundary. Say, all right, I'll allow myself to worry about this for exactly 10 minutes. Set a timer. When it goes off, consciously shift your focus. Get up, take a walk, do some stretches, or just focus on your breath. Problems rarely get solved by endless rumination. They get solved by rested, clear minds. Third, write it down. Don't carry it around. Your brain isn't designed to be a storage unit for every worry. Grab a notebook or open the Notes app on your phone and just dump all those thoughts out. Once they're on the page, your brain can finally relax a little. Fourth, ask yourself one powerful grounding question. What is actually in my control right now? Not tomorrow, not next week. Right now. Maybe it's sending that one email, or maybe it's just making a cup of tea. Then, do that one small thing. Action is the ultimate antidote to overthinking. And finally, number 5. Accept that certainty is a myth. So much of our overthinking comes from wanting a guarantee that everything will be okay. But life doesn't offer guarantees. Real peace comes when you can accept the uncertainty and trust that you can handle whatever happens. Confidence isn't about knowing the outcome. It's about trusting yourself to navigate it. Overthinking doesn't mean you're weak. It just means you care a lot. But caring doesn't have to equal suffering. You don't need to solve your entire life in your head tonight. You just need to figure out the next small step for tomorrow. A quieter mind is built with awareness and small actions, not by force. If this video resonated with you, please give it a like so it can reach someone else who might need to hear this today. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's the one thing you tend to overthink the most? Be sure to subscribe for more episodes of Human Problems 101. Thanks for watching.